Hi guys, welcome back to another how-to video. I'm going to be showing you how to send crypto from Revolut to Ledger. Let's get to it. Head to your Revolut app. Once you've logged into your Revolut account, on the home screen, navigate to the crypto tab. Once you're on that tab, you'll see your crypto balance if you have any. Choose Send. You'll then be asked to choose which crypto asset you'd like to withdraw. In this demo, we'll be sending Bitcoin. After you've selected BTC, you'll be prompted to enter the wallet address you want to send it to. You can add a wallet address, or you can choose an existing one if you already have added one. In this demo, we will use Add Wallet Address. It will then show tabs at the top, asking whether or not you're sending to your wallet or to someone else's. When it's your own, you just need to enter the wallet address and then a label so that you know what the address is. If you tap on someone else's, you'll be asked to provide the recipient's first and last name. This information is required due to crypto regulations. In this demo, let's send to my wallet. Here, you'll then input your Ledger wallet's BTC address. To find your Ledger hardware wallet address, go to the Ledger Live app. Click Receive on the sidebar at the left of the screen. Then choose which account you'd like to credit. Now, just a word of caution. Make sure you select the correct account and crypto type you are sending. With cryptocurrency, transactions are non-retractable, so if you do make a mistake, you risk losing your crypto. You're going to need to connect and unlock your Ledger device, and your Ledger Bitcoin wallet address will then be displayed. You can either copy the address and paste in your Revolut app, or you can click Show the QR code and then use your Revolut app's camera to scan it. Once you fill the wallet address, you'll then see underneath that the address type shows as BTC. This helps to confirm that the address you imputed is correct. You can choose to label the wallet address. Click Continue, and your wallet address will then be added. Next, you'll enter the amount you'd like to send, either in BTC, or if you'd prefer, you can tap on the blue up and down arrows by the right, and this will switch to your fiat currency. Tap Review your transfer. You're shown a summary of your transactions, including who you're sending to, the network that it's being sent on, how much the recipient gets in BTC, and the transaction fees that apply here. When you confirm your transfer, you'll see that your withdrawal will be completed soon. You just need to wait for a bit for the transaction to complete, and the BTC will appear in your Ledger wallet. Following this guide, you'll be able to send crypto from Revolut to Ledger. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.